Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will be showing you how I played around with some colors and yeah, to achieve this look and the lipstick. So let's go straight into the video. Priming my eyes with the P. Louise Roma 04. There we go. Just going to ensure that's well blended and nice, and there are no creases. So today I do not have any look in particular in my head, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this palette, Jeffree Star Morphe X, and I will be using some colors from there. So I decided to do this eye off camera so that we could just concentrate on the side. So I will only be playing with a few colors from this palette. I'm going to use that brown, deepen it with that black, and then use that gold and that silver over there to come up with this look. So yeah, so taking that brown, I will just kind of, ooh, it got so much fallout. With that brown, I will just kind of, I need to change the brushes. I need to change the brush. I am going to use this very fluffy brush. So taking that brown, I'm just going to put it there and then blend it out nicely. Bring some of it to the front. I'm just concentrating on my crease area. Blend that nicely. When blending, you really have to take your time. I think I said this in my other videos, but yeah, don't just rush it. So then you need to come out looking flawless and good. So yeah, I'm just building on that very color. I'm not using any other colors, it's just the same color. I'm just building on that color, bringing some to the front, bringing it out, take a little bit more, put it over there. And I'm just going into circular motions. The circular motions really blend well. When I have got that kind of appearance, I will then use the black in this palette. I'm going to change the brush to this fluffy short brush so that I could just pack that. So I am focusing this on it. Inner side, because I will be blending it out, so I don't really need to take it all the way out, otherwise it's going to be hard for me to blend, and I just don't want it to cover my entire area. So I'm going to get the same brush I was using, that one, and a little bit of brown, and just try and blend that out. I'm being careful because I do not want that black going everywhere. I just want it there. Push some of it inwards, like that. Like a little bit more there. And then I'm using the brown. I'm just gonna blend the edges out. Like I said, I'm being very careful with that black. I don't want it smudging everywhere and the entire eye looking black. And then I will just take a little bit and just push it forward. Just a little bit of that black and push it forwards to my inner corners. I will then take that sort of brush and go for that gold color there. And I will just look down and just lightly pat this over there. Pat it over there. And then I'm cleaning the same brush, so I'm going to use the same brush and get that silver pigment color. And with that silver, I am just gonna start there and put it there. Kind of go all the way over that. Like that, and just tap it. So when I'm looking down, I'm ensuring whatever I'm doing to this eye looks exactly like what this other eye looks like. I'm just gonna tap it and just take it off. Clean the brush and then just tap the edges so it doesn't really look, there's no, you know, like that thick line saying this is where it's starting. So just tap it just to blend it in the brown that I used. And that's how it looks. And then I will just push that black forward just so it blends in with the gold, and kind of take the gold and just pack it on top of the black. Like that. Taking that gold, taking it a little bit. For the waterline, I will be using a black eyebrow pencil. like that. Ooh, then I will use that kind of flat brush and use the black from the palette and just go over the eyeshadow that I have already put. Got some serious fallout this side, but I'm gonna sort that later. I will then blend that with that kind of brush with the brown from the same palette, that brown that I used. I will just go over that. And for my lips, I always line them up with a brown eyebrow pencil or a brown eyeshadow. I don't have a brown eyebrow pencil, so I'm just using a brown eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take some bronze and just put it there. You can skip that out if you do not like it. I prefer some bronze for this look there, I think. And for my lips, I'm torn in between these two colors. I don't want any red or anything, so I decided which one to use. These are by Beauty For You Cosmetics. They've got very nice lipstick. Let me try with this, see how it goes. So just put it there. Because they are matte, you kind of need to give them a few minutes to set in. So I decided to change that lip color. I will instead be using this one. Just that it's by Beauty For You Cosmetics, but the actual lip color name label is up the tag. This is how the lipstick looks. So I will now put my eyelashes off camera and I will be back with a final look. And we're finally done. This is how it looks like. Looks good, hey? So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button for notifications every time that I post a video. It's bye for now. Till next time. Bye.